Hi guys, it's HENNESYS from ArmHug. So I wanted to put a video together with some tips on using the Calendly. So as you all know, I do these interviews and I've been doing a few already, and at the bottom of each video, include a Calendly link. So this Calendly link you can schedule to speak with me so I can connect you with people who can help you either grow a business, start a business plan, get into those contracts that you're looking for. I have a network of people who do this for a living, and then I have a network of people who coach, and we'll see if we can find the right fit for you. Now, I know that using the Calendly can sometimes be kind of messy, right? You don't know what time to schedule, you don't know when to do it. You schedule a time and it doesn't work out. All of that is fine. If you can't make it to any of the meetings, feel free to cancel the meeting. If you don't know how to do that, I will try to show you that in another video. If that's something that you guys want to learn, more than happy to help you learn that. If there's something that happens, right, and you can't make it, you click on the link of that Calendly invite and you can cancel it or you can reschedule it. It's really simple. I get a ton of Calendly invites, but people tend not to show up. I don't know if it's people are scared and they schedule and then they don't make it to the meetings. I don't know if people are just super busy and they schedule a time that something else came up and they had to deal with that first, right? They had to prioritize their time. Whatever happens, just feel free to shoot me a message and just say, hey, couldn't make it to this meeting. We'll schedule later or at another time. You don't want to lose the connections that you're making. So I understand that for some of you, you're in school and you might see these things and you're not sure when your schedule is free because you're so busy. Some of you have 2 to 3 jobs that you're working at and you're trying to find the time to start a business because that's something that you really want to do, right? Maybe you're just really tired of working really hard somewhere and you're not getting where you want to go. And all of that is fine, but just let people know. I think a part of growing a business or starting anything and being successful at it is communicating. So just communicate something, and people, they're not going to say no to you. They're not going to say, oh, I never want to see you again. There's this fear I think people have of rejection, just because something didn't work out the way it was supposed to the first time. You're allowed to follow up, you're allowed to reach out to someone and say, hey, can we change this into a phone call? Maybe you don't want a Zoom meeting. Or do you want the person to tell them a little bit more about what you're looking for before you meet with them via Zoom? All of those things are okay. You just have to learn a little bit about what is it that you like, what do you feel comfortable with, and then ask if that person would be able to do that favor for you. Maybe change it to a phone call because you have to go drive your kids to school. And instead of having to be on a Zoom meeting, you can do both, right? You can drive your kids to school and you can be on a phone call you know, while you're driving your kids to school. Hopefully, you're not using the phone though. You have to make sure it's on Bluetooth if you're doing that. I'm not going to recommend driving and being on meetings. Okay. So I hope that helps a little bit because I feel like they're really interested. And for some of you, I've seen that you book the Calendlys and it's consistent every month, but you don't show up to the meetings, right? I would email you if I haven't, then I haven't gotten to your email or I haven't gotten to the Calendly that you canceled just yet to see if we could reschedule it at a better time. And that's it. There's no problem with that. I know things come up, but some of you are very consistent and then you don't follow through. So just follow through to the meeting. It'll be worth it. Try to make a few minutes for if you can't stay for the whole 30 minutes, just be clear about that. Just say, hey, I have a few minutes. I would like to get in touch with you. I don't think I'll be able to stay the 30 minutes, but I just wanted to reach out because I'm interested, right? This is for you guys. This is for your benefit. You guys are scheduling the Calendlys. You're in control. So take advantage of the resources that are out there. If you're not putting in the work, you're not going to get where you want to go. So I hope that at least might have helped somebody or clarified some things on how to get to those Calendly meetings, and then show up. That's all you have to do is show up. Well, anyway, I'll let you guys go. I know everybody's super busy, so I will see you guys soon.